What's up, everybody? It's Ben here from Full Plumage Outdoors. I'm just getting ready to go meet up with Kendall right now to go scout some dry fields for some duck action. You might have saw the video we posted yesterday from our Idaho duck hunt. It was just a day trip. We hunted a small creek in Idaho. As we were driving home, we saw some fields that the ducks, mallards, were just tornadoing and dive bombing in. So we're gonna go scout it again today to see if we can get permission. Hopefully that pans out so we can have a sweet video posted on some dry field duck action. Personally, I've never hunted ducks out of a dry field. I've hunted geese out of a dry field, but not ducks. There's a couple fields around there. There's corn, wheat, barley, and hay, it looks like. So we're gonna go try to pinpoint which field they're using and see if we can get some permission. Wish us luck. We'll keep you updated. Thanks.
I dropped that. Drop that one right there.
What's up, guys? Ben from Full Plumage here. It's been like the first 15 minutes. Double cornfield. Already shot 7 mallards, 6 greenheads, 1 hen. The blind and the fellas.
Yeah. I haven't shot a shot yet.
Old man's too slow to get up on the draw.
Running with a bunch of young guns.
On the old man one more time. Put my shotgun in the truck.
Oh my goodness, boy!
Yeah. Hey, go jump and get those. Go jump and get those.
This one's mine right here.
Who's gonna jump the fence? I thought there was another one. There's 2 behind the fence. Hey, there's 2 behind. Yeah. Hey. We got 5 out of that group.
5 green heads in that group.
5 green heads. Hey.
Dang, boys.
About 15 came in.
Lunchtime yet.
5 green heads didn't make it.
Greenies, dude.
The weather's starting to pick up.
Look at those greenies, boys.
Making a pile.
Let me get them looking better.
Z or Cody.
All greenies.
Did you? When they made that pass, I was like, they're all green.
All
oh, sorry.
greenies.
Did you hear me? Get your green one. Ooh, mature. Look at it. Dang. Wait, we should. How does this compare to Kaysville?
I mean, just like flinging shit at each other.
Keep their heads straight. What's up, guys? It's Kendall and Ben here with FPO. Just a little bit on the spot we're hunting today. We're hunting a cut and plowed cornfield. Mainly ducks. We have had some geese working. But the other day, Ben and I were driving by and saw some birds work in this area. So the following day, we kind of put the miles on the truck, went and scouted out, and it seems to be paying off. Right now, we really couldn't ask for anything more. Birds are working well. The weather's helping a lot. Ben's going to tell us a little bit about the spread and how we kind of had to improvise today.
Alright guys, what's up? So we have no field duck decoys, so we're using our floaters on top of the cut corn and in the snow. So they're just sitting there and we're trying to get them to stay as straight as possible. We're having to keep running out there and adjusting them, but it's working out so far. We also had to improvise a blind against the fence line because not all of us have snow covers for our laydown blinds, so we just went and picked as much vegetation as we could and kind of tried to make as close to an A-frame or lean-to blind that we could possibly get. and it's working really good. All of the ducks have worked really well that have come and seen our decoys. We're getting them feet down right in the kitchen and dropping multiple ducks out of every group.
Please be banded.
But nice big green head. Hey, good shooting on that east side.
Dude, look how freaking close that was. Get a cover, boys.
Oh, look, nice shot.
I'm already prepping for the pit.
20? 2 more down, boys. Snowy cornfield hunting. Wow, you whip. You whip. Cody did first shot. I hit him second time. I named him and someone finished him. Andy! Oh, Andy! Oh, that help you ain't banded! Ended him. No. Banded. Double. Triple banded.
Good lord.
Bud, I love how they just can't see very good in the snow. It's so sick. It's ridiculous.
I'm not dreaming.
Dude, this will be...
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video we just shared. It was a pretty fun hunt, doing a dry field hunt in that cornfield. Weather was perfect, could have asked for more, had some snow, great wind conditions. There were a few things I just wanted to point out to you. One, Ben and Kendall, they did a great job on scouting that spot, finding the landowner, getting permission. So we didn't really know the terrain too much. When we finally got permission the day before, it was pretty dark out. So we didn't know if we could hide dogs or not. We ended up not bringing them. Next time we know that we will be able to hide them, especially in their ground blinds. The other thing is that, I don't know if you noticed in the first part of the video, we had the mojos on the pole. And so they were a little higher up. But we noticed a few ducks had flared from that. So what we did was we ended up taking the mojos off of their poles and just putting them on the ground. That seemed to work out great because it looked like when the birds were down feeding, they would flap every now and then. That seemed to get a lot of the big groups to suck in more. The other thing that we wanted to point out was we didn't get as many kills as we wanted to on camera, so we're working on getting other angles and a different camera in the spread. So hopefully the next video gets a little bit better. Thanks for watching, and click to subscribe. Thank you.